Hi, today we're going to talk about 10.1, the cell cycle. Explain what happens during each phase of the cell cycle. I want you to think about your own life cycle and the different changes that you've gone through. Now think about what's happening to your cells as you go through each stage of your life. As you might have guessed, the cells are going through a life cycle of their own, also known as the cell cycle. The cell cycle refers to all of the events that occur in a cell as it grows and divides. So it's just like the normal everyday life of a cell. The cell cycle in eukaryotes has two main parts, interphase and mitosis. Interphase is when the cell grows and prepares to divide. Mitosis is when the cell actually divides. For this objective, 10.1, we're going to focus on what happens during interphase. First, you have G1. G stands for gap because it's a gap or a pause from dividing. During G1, the cell gets bigger in size and it also copies its organelles and proteins. Next comes the S phase or synthesis. Synthesis means make, and during the S phase, the cell is synthesizing or making DNA. On the left there, you can see the blue and the pink chromosomes. So that's two chromosomes, one blue and one pink, and each chromosome has one chromatid. Then when the cell goes through DNA replication, we still just have two chromosomes, one blue and one pink, but notice how each has two chromatids. So we have the same number of chromosomes, yet we've doubled our amount of DNA. And remember, you know DNA replication, we already talked about it. That's with helicase, primase, polymerase, ligase, all those enzymes. So picture that happening right now during the cell cycle. The last phase of interphase is G2, or gap 2. This is when the cell continues to grow, and it also produces some molecules that it needs to control cell division. So just to wrap things up, interphase consists of G1, S, and G2, and there you can see what interphase looks like in an onion cell. If you have questions, please email me or ask each other. There's also a discussion forum on Canvas that I made just for your questions. Thanks, guys.